On your left, right, about turn. Complete.
Our joy with the students of class 10th. Today is a special day for all of us because we are celebrating the happiness with all our students and teachers. So on this special day, I would like to welcome our guests, students of class 10th on our school. On behalf of the school community, I welcome you all for this program. पहचान बन जाए, काम करो ऐसा कि एक पहचान बन जाए, हर कदम ऐसा चलो कि निशान बन जाए।
Who is the topper of our school and she has scored more than 95%. Students, please put your hands together and appreciate her efforts. Honoring our topper of this batch,
principal, sister, and all my teachers, and all the students. First of all, I would like to thank all my beloved teachers who taught us so well, because of whom we are able to come to reach to this milestone. Thank you very much to all my teachers. And now, I would like to share my experience of my class 10 board examination, that how I was being able to score 91%. It is not important that how much time you are giving for your studies. If you are giving 10 hours in a day, it is not important that you will be able to score above 90%. But if you are giving 2 hours daily to your studies, you will be definitely able to get 90 and above percentage. So consistency is the first thing that you have to have in yourself, in your studies.
Teachers and all my dear friends, good morning to you all. Today I feel so glad to have this stage to speak in front of you all. I will not speak much because I am not well, I am not fine. But then also, when I saw in the group the message, then I had to come. So now I would like to share something in front of you. But first of all, first and foremost, a biggest thank goes to our principal, Father Philmon Devi S.J., Vice Principal, Sister Merlin, our class teacher, Mr. Mehtab sir, to all my beloved teachers, who always guided me, supported me, and not only me, but to all my classmates. Thank you very much.
Teachers, beloved students, and our hero and heroines of the day. Our class 10 batch 24-25. Good morning to you all. मैं 2020 में ये स्कूल ज्वाइन किया, तब शायद आप लोग क्लास 6वीं में थे. You were in class 6. Then everything came on me that we have to have the affiliation, because they will be reaching class 10 very soon, and we have to enroll, do the registration from our school. We, together with all the teachers, tried our best. Unfortunately, once our affiliation was rejected, so we could not get. And so I requested the Bond Sakar School, Matukdwar, the sisters of Sister Merlin, to register our students from them. So we did it. So I am extremely grateful to Sister Alice. Then she was the principal here, and then now Sister Casper Rani. And we enrolled our students there. I wanted that they should write, the first batch should write from our own school. And so when we got the affiliation, I wanted that the affiliation should be 24 to 29. But they gave the affiliation 25 to 30. And so we could not bring back their registration to our school. And so, though I paid 5 lakhs for that, and that is how we could prepone the session for existing class 10th. We paid 5 lakhs so that we can do our registration from this school. And I wanted that their registration also should come here, so that first batch we can put their names in the golden letters here. Anyway, we could not succeed, but they wrote it from there. Now, coming to the main point. Being the first batch, the sister also from Bond Sakar came. We also tried our best. Every teacher, we used to have meetings after meetings, planning after plannings, how to motivate them, how to ignite their minds and hearts, how to put them in proper line and length. It was difficult, but we tried our best. We consistently persevered. We never gave hope, because we knew at least out of 20, 10 will be above 70, that was our target, and they have made it happen. So, I would say, हर फूल बाग में लगाए नहीं जाते हैं, हर फूल बाग में लगाए नहीं जाते हैं, हर लोग महफिल में बुलाए नहीं जाते हैं। कोई तो पास होकर भी याद नहीं आते और कोई कुछ दूर होकर भी भुलाए नहीं जाते। उनमें से आप सभी हैं। ताली बजा। So today on this day, their result is reflecting their consistency, perseverance, time management, and unwavering focus on their goal. We really congratulate you on this day for your hard work. Together with the teachers, the management, you have labored and you have done your best. So for that, we congratulate you. And today I wanted to felicitate them in a grand manner, in a short time, short notice, and which you have done. So you saw the 6 names are here especially, and 6 of them have got their mementos, garlands, and flower. Others have also done very well, not less than 70%, but poor fellows have not got their garland. This is the inspiration for all of you. All of you. बहुतों को तो लग रहा होगा कि मैं भी 10वीं क्लास में जाऊंगा ना, इतना पढ़ूंगा, इतना पढ़ूंगी कि ऐसा वाला मेडल मुझे को मिलना चाहिए। लग रहा है कि नहीं लग रहा है? किनको को लग रहा है? उठाओ। अरे वाह, वेरी गुड, हैंड्स डाउन। ऐसा ही होना चाहिए कि जो मेडल प्रिंसी को, आदित्य को, स्वीटी को और इन सभी भाइयों को, बहनों को मिला है, वो आपके हाथ में होना चाहिए जब आप क्लास 10 पास करते हैं। क्या आप में वो दम है तो हाँ बोलिए। गुड। We will be, if you score more than 80%, we have given first batch 80%, we will give you mementos, garland, flower, nasta, pani, everything will give you. Okay? So, get inspired, get ignited. You also will be getting the same privilege when you come back here. This is not the end. This is the end of the beginning. Now you are going to enroll yourself. Many of you have enrolled also in Science Inter College. Okay? Now, continue your progressive mind. और जब तक मंजिल नहीं मिल जाती है, सांसें मत लेना, मुड़ करके मत देखना। ओके? क्योंकि दुनिया में अगर कामयाब नहीं हो, कितनी भी अच्छी बातें बोलो, कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। वही बात महात्मा बुद्ध बोले और वही बात आप बोलो, आपकी कोई महत्ता नहीं है। महात्मा बुद्ध का नाम लेके बोलो, वाह, बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि, बुद्ध बोले हैं। ठीक है? आसक्ति नहीं करनी चाहिए, बुद्ध बोले हैं। निर्वाण के 8 मार्ग हैं, बुद्ध बोले हैं, उनका नाम होगा। आप जब तक कामयाब नहीं, आपका कोई वैल्यू नहीं है। Reach up to that success point. That is our wish, good wishes and blessings to you. So इसीलिए अंत में तूफानों से आंख मिलाओ। क्या करना है? तूफानों से आंख मिलाओ, सैलाबों को पार करो, मल्लाहों के चक्कर में मत रहो, तैर कर दरिया पार करो। वाह वाह वाह। तुम लोग थोड़े बोलोगे, हमें खुद बोलना पड़ेगा। Okay, now they have become the alumni of the school. They will come on Parents' Night Day. They will come on our sports So we will organize programs for them. When they get good posts and they become big officers, they will donate computers, LCD panels, okay? So many good things for the school. Will you do that? Pakka? Record this one, please. All right. We have done for you. When your time comes, as Sweetie said, this was my school. This is my school. This will be my school. Thank you for your convince. Okay? Your inner feeling, gut level feeling. And I know everybody has that kind of feeling. You expressed it. So you will be part of our school and keep united through that batch 24-25 so that any message we can send it to you. Once again, heartiest congratulations. God bless you. Take care. हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो, सफलता की सीढ़ियां चलते रहो. Thank you. धन्यवाद. धन्यवाद.
Dear students, you have become topper of this locality not only. I have seen, as Sir Ladir said, many well-settled school. Yesterday when I went to get print this flex, I saw the flex of many reputed school and I found there 89% topper, 87% topper, 86% topper. But this topper, what Princy has got, it is not because of the class teacher. It is not because of any special teacher, tuition teacher, YouTube or any your brother and sister. Our effort, maybe it was with you 10%, 20%, 3%. If extra care, if you had from your teachers, it was good and I believe. But what result you have given to us because of your hard effort. How much pain you had, you can see that.
पहला लड़का था हमारे स्कूल का और ये सारे लोग and then you were here from the beginning. Class 1. You came to 2015 but in different class. Okay? Now she has journeyed 2015 onwards. She has seen how they have grown up. बच्चे थे, गंदा करते थे, पैंट पहनने नहीं जानते थे, स्कर्ट पहनने नहीं जानते थे. तब से देखी है ये. Okay? May I request Anish to put your garland on her? Bring your garland. Your garland.
तो पकड़ दो मोमेंटो.
She has, with all compassion, love, tenderness, she has nurtured them. Likewise, not only she, all other teachers. Okay, we have Laldev sir, we have Mosid sir, among the old ones, and Reena ma'am who left, and और कौन? Grace ma'am, ठीक है? Chandradipaa, 19 she joined. So everybody has put their effort here. So you stand up now. Stand up. Put your everything below. Now let's give them a thunderous applause for all your teachers, please. Okay. So all of them have worked hard. Everybody has put their something to make the monument. They have put one brick, one stone, one mathematics, one physics, one chemistry, Hindi, computer science, everything. And now they have the finished product at least up to class 10. Okay? So your credit is there. But the credit, the foundational stone has been laid down by these people.